Hello everybody, this is Karaoke Pete, bringing you a tutorial on karaoke PC connection and ultimately how to run a karaoke show on your computer. If you're going to use a desktop, I suggest you use a small desktop. This way you can fit it under your table, or if you put it on top of your table, you won't have you save some safe space. Hi, this is Karaoke Pete, bringing you a tutorial on how to run a karaoke show from your computer. Okay, if you're going to use a desktop, I suggest you use a small desktop. If the desktop has less than 250 gigabytes, I suggest you have an external drive, external USB drive. And of course you can run it from your laptop. If you were going to run it from your laptop, the same rules apply. Have an external USB hard drive on there. The connections are either the front or the back of your computer. You're going to see a green color-coded audio out, and over at your laptop it says audio out, or sometimes it says to your ear plug. You can plug it up to your ear. Okay, so what you do is you take this type of cable here, and you take the small one as your audio on your desktop. You plug it here or to your ear plug on the laptop. You may have an S-video, so you hook up the S-video to your laptop. Now when it comes to desktop, you may have, depending on how old your computer is, you may have a yellow video out. But if you don't, and then you're going to need a card. Okay, now the red and white cable go to the back of your amplifier. Okay, if you have the video, you hook it up to the back of your amplifier as well. Now let me make a correction. Your S-video and your audio goes to your laptop or desktop, okay? These three here go to the back of your amplifier. And it needs to be a karaoke amplifier. You could use a regular amplifier, but that's that's a different video. Okay. And your speakers need to be karaoke speakers as well. They have to be able to take that load of somebody yelling or screaming in your microphone. So the karaoke speakers need to withstand the wattage of your amplifier. Now the wired mics, they go plugged up. Sometimes they have them in the front, sometimes in the back. You can just plug those into your amplifier. The wireless mics, you have one cable that goes from any of the inlets of the microphone. Stick it in one of those, and then bring it to the box and stick it in here. It also has a cable to plug in for your electricity. Now, just a little bit suggestion: if you're going to get a wireless mic system, get one that has individual volume buttons, knobs down here. Because if you have a duet, two people singing at the same time, and one of them's voice is lower than the other one, you can always adjust it here. You can bring up that volume. I suggest you, when you get your system, you mark these as 1 and 2, and then you know how they correspond to the buttons, to the volume buttons down here. Okay? Now, as far as the monitors go, you could use a monitor, or you could use a flat TV. These days, sometimes they have HDMI, DVI, and some have VGA, and some have S-video. So get the monitor for the singers that is going to fit into your whole system. Okay? Some monitors have a yellow video in, sometimes called AVI. But you have to look at your system and see what it is that it needs in order for you to get the right cable. Okay. Another thing, I was talking about the amplifier. If you have an amplifier that's 200 watt, for example, you need to get your speakers to be able to take that wattage. So you need to ask whoever you buy it from whether it'll take that wattage. Okay, in part 2 of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hook it all up. 2 monitors. My particular system, I have this monitor is running from DVI in back of the desktop, and the other monitor that I'm going to hook up like this is going to have the VGA running from that desktop to the monitor. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit. This is Pete, Karaoke Pete. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll help me tremendously. So thank you so much. And I'm also going to have a link to where you can get some software in order to input your karaoke songs into your laptop or your desktop. Okay, see you in a little bit.